Nandito tayo sa London downtown dahil meron tayong titingnan na luxury apartment. Sa tingin ko ito na yung pinakamagandang apartment dito sa London. So ayan. So nandito na kami sa loob ng Aki King. Aki on King. Ganda ng pangalan ng building na to. I think this is the
She keeps on watching.
yeah, I have to watch many times. I've been watching it every day. All the videos that So, ang ganda niya. So, maganda nga siya talaga, guys. One bedroom. Ito talaga yung pinapangarap natin. Deserve ba natin to? So, mayroon siyang walk-in closet. Super laki niya. At malaki ang kanyang room. So, ayan. Full-size window. At ang view is sa downtown. So, maganda pag nasa downtown ka is yung transportation. Hindi mo kailangan magkotse. Kasi lahat dito is bus and train via rail nakakonect dito. So, check natin yung toilet. Actually, guys, mas malaki yung closet niya. In actual. Based yan. Talaga yung gusto ko. Napakaganda. Sarap magkulong dito sa bahay na to. Because this is the size is so perfect for us.
It is very
And
so nice and modern.
yeah, that's what I've been really wanted to move to condo, apartment or condo.
Just so you know, this unit faces west, which means
So
it's
someone already live here kasi mayroon na siyang bus. So, ganda ng ano niya, black accented cabinet. Ganda guys, super.
So I'm showing you.
So this is the balcony, may roof yung balcony.
See you.
So nandito tayo sa kanya. Medyo, hindi naman. Ito yung balcony na pinapangarap natin. So, kita yung buong downtown. Malawak yung balcony niya na pwede rin tayong maglagay ng mga sala dito, furniture. Maganda talaga. Muni-muni. So, ganyan siya kalaki.
Apartments. This is
Yeah,
very
it's so
size.
small.
You have the island with you, so you can have all the information.
Check
about
natin
the
yung
apartment.
den. Ito yung magiging kwarto namin, yung den.
Over the price.
Wait. Because I have to remember this room. I need to remember this. I think this is the biggest, the massive den.
I always recommend that even for him, for younger kids, because you have the smart.
Dito siya kalaki. Ito yung malaki yung washroom. Ganda, no? Ganito na talaga yung goal natin. Yung makatira tayo sa bagong building. So, ganito siya, guys. Lipat na tayo next month. Excited na. At natatanaw yung castle. So, maganda yung kanyang. Ganito kalawak ang ating closet. So, para saan ako tong room na to? At yan, high ceiling.
If you don't give them
Napakalaki na
access,
itong condo na to.
so I'll show you how.
Ito yata yung pinakamalaki nakita
So
namin.
basically, this is the smart app, and you have here like you control.
So, may nakatira na to dati. Pero, iningatan nila, oh.
The residue door.
Well maintained.
And control from here to open all of the garages.
Modern talaga.
So when you have a delivery coming, you give them access to the
Lipat na tayo.
and then you
Nakaka-inspired
have
naman.
access to the elevator.
Ang ganda dito is yun. Nasa baba yung
So you
kanya.
have to go down.
Microwave. At ang daming storage spaces. facilities nila. So, ito yung para talaga sa kids. Kasi para hindi ma-board yung mga kids.
So as you
Ang
can see,
ganda,
we
oh,
have a
high
football
ceiling.
table. You're ready to book it to use it. If it's available, you can just come
Bango.
in here and use it.
You can still smell
She can
the
work from
building.
here.
Absolutely. We have
Very
free
new.
Wi-Fi in all of the common
So, brand new.
areas. So
Parang nasa airport tayo, guys, ha? Airport to. So, another venue na naman dito.
this one is not. So this one is always going
So,
to be
maraming venue
available.
para sa mga guests, visitors natin, para sa mga friends natin to, guys. Napakaganda. Ito talaga yung lifestyle. This is the real investment, your time. Your time enjoying your life you're living in a building. It's very modern.
Yes. So
And
whenever
barbecue space here.
also has free speaker.
Another luxury. God.
There's some.
So, ito na yung pool na hinahanap natin. Cute siya. Cute.
Winter time we turn it into a
Naku, sarap mag-invite ng friends dito, guys. So, ito talaga yung pang-host. So, kung type nyo talaga magbakasyon, dito na lang tayo tumira. So, mainit yung pool nila. All year round, naka-open tong pool. So, all year round, naka-open tong pool, guys. Maganda. So, sa mga gustong magbakasyon araw-araw,
Yeah,
tumira na
it's-
tayo
yeah.
sa condo.
It's heated.
Rental, apartment.
If you want to go to a
So, ito
two-bedroom,
yung
you can do it after
two-bedroom.
the first year.
Only after food.
Yes.
So, meron siya dito closet.
It's true.
This is so
So
huge.
this two-bedroom, it's called Medina.
This is a white kitchen.
This one has a lighter color kitchen.
Same.
This one faces east. It has a
But this one is so better.
two full
Bigger
bathrooms
families
here.
dito sa 2-bedroom. So, ayan, kanyang storage at malaki ang door. Those, they use a
As you can see, you have lovely, huge windows. All of the window covers are included for all.
Did someone already occupied this unit?
Yes. Your bedroom, it's also very good size. You can definitely fit here a queen king size bed. Even if you want to have like a queen and have a desk in here,
You like
it
your
also
medium?
fits.
Kasi gonna have a pool. So, malaki ang kanyang walk-in closet. Sobra-sobra to sa parang kwarto ko na to.
Very good size bathroom as well. We have
Yeah.
lots of cabinets and counter space as well. It is here to the attic.
Yeah.
It is your home.
Color. See? The owner, the tenant doesn't really cook a lot. See, there is no sketches.
No. Obviously, it's a little bit dusty. Before somebody moves in here, we do a final cleaning just to make sure it's all in shape.
Daming spaces. Eh.
Big faster, faster.
So just
Because
so
you can
know,
see
this
it
one
how
is on
big
the opposite
and how
side.
big.
So this one faces east.
Yeah.
This one.
So, ramen muna tayo, guys. At ito yung favorite natin, takoyaki. Takoyaki, no? So, favorite nila, ramen. So, ang ganito, pag weekend. So, ito nga pala yung building sa labas, yung Aki King. So, yan na talaga yung tina-target namin. Kung sakali mag-i-stay pa rin kami dito sa London. Ang maganda dito is strategic siya. Malapit siya sa Flixbus Station, Via Rail Station, at hindi mo na talaga kailangan ng kotse. So, nandito tayo sa building number 2. Dito, malapit din siya sa downtown. 667 Talbot Drive. So, ganun din ang titingnan namin, mga 2-bedroom. So, ayan yung building, guys. So, ito pala, guys, yung pinaka-lobby niya. Meron siyang open house.
Yes.
So, ito na yung 2-bedroom niya. Meron tong wash washer na. Ano ko type yung washer ha? Honestly. So, ayan siya, guys. Malawak din, no? So, yung design niya is not modern. Pero maganda yung floorings niya. So, ito yung one bedroom. At carpeted do. Carpeted yung room. Medyo ano siya. Ayan! Meron siyang walk-in closet. Talagang lumalaban tong building na. So, ano daw to guys? Bago daw to. So, ayan. Ganda niya, no? Para siyang bahay. Master bedroom. So, hindi siya full window. Wow. Medyo ano to ha, parang European vibes. At ang ganda ng closet niya. Yung master bedroom, yun yung merong walk-in closet. Diba? So, ganito kalapad yung sala niya. Malapad talaga. Uli natin yung master bedroom. No? So, talagang ganito ako pag binuview ko. I want to remember every details, every corner of this unit. So, ayan. May pagka-nostalgia siya. Parang siya, classical feeling. So, punta naman tayo sa second unit. So, yung una is a 2-bedroom.
Also two
So,
bed.
this one is a corner unit. Favorite ko ang corner unit because of the glass. This is much better. Because of more brighter.
Yes.
How much is this?
This one goes for 25.37.
25.37. Wow. So, pagdating sa requirements ha, corner unit tayo na malapad, na maliwanag. Corner unit na very bright. So, this is the closet room. Ang ganda guys, wala tayong chine-check na talagang lahat is every corner is usable. Walang sayang na space, 'di ba? Parang sa Japan style. Ready for na tayo. Hindi natin kailangan ng malaking space. Gusto natin is one main floor. Nandito na lahat. Ayoko nang may hagdanan. At nandito, sakto to sa mga, yan, sa amin is hybrid kasi kami. Mostly work at home. Ganda. Oh my gosh. Napakaganda. It's so beautiful. This is mas maganda to. So, dapat ganito rin yung mga gamit. So, hindi siya full length na from floor to ceiling na window. Pero, corner siya. This is enough for me na din. Maganda pa rin siya. Yan. So, hindi siya modern but it's a classic feeling. May siya. Yan. Ito, another bedroom. So, 2 bathroom din to. Full bathroom. And here, this is for my kid. Gusto ko yung niya. Okay din sa akin yung darker na to kasi parang nakakaantok talaga. So, medyo maliit din siya. Malaki din. Diba? So, medyo lumalaban talaga to. Para kang nasa penthouse. Ganun yung feeling niya. Guys, hindi mo siya mafe-feel na nasa building ka. Kasi nga parang bahay talaga siya. So, ang laki din itong closet niya. At may extra empty space dito. Yan. May siya. Hindi ko sure kung kasama itong mga appliances na to. Check natin kung kasama siya. Kasi parang ang galing ng pagkakadesign niya no? So, ganito siya. 2 bedroom. At, so, ayan na nga. Malaki din, malaki. Classic yung design niya. Classic. Meron pa. Natatapos yung building natin. Mahaba-haba pa. This one is empty. But it's brighter. And this is a kids room. But there's a walk-in closet. So this must be a master bedroom, I think. Ito maganda yung countertop niya. At ito na yung washer. So maganda naman yung kitchen niya. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-closet niya sa harap. Kagaya ng mga winter jacket. So, dito tayo sa another bedroom. So, another bathroom. This one is a bigger bedroom. So, ayan. Meron din siya. So, parang dalawang master bedroom pala ito. So, dalawang master bedroom kasi meron din siyang walk-in closet. So, ayan.
Nice.
Ganito siya kalawak.
24/7.
No, it goes in that.
So, ito na yung pool natin.
9?
Wow! Parang kang nasa hotel din, no? That's
heat and
no,
cool.
mainit siya. So, pag winter talagang masarap magbabad sa ganito. So, lifestyle. It's a perfect lifestyle if you're living in a luxury. Like this is a rental. So, ito yung jacuzzi. Favorite natin.
May sauna pa siya.
Para sa mga nilalamig dyan na
Makita mo init.
maraming rayuma. So, ito yung wala sa unang building sa
yun yung
akin.
wala pala.
Kasi ito is mahaba yung pool niya.
Halos full size.
Full size pool, Olympic size yung haba niya. Ito yung wala sa kanina. So, wala naman talagang perfect, di ba? Pero, ito is, dito siya bumawi. Ang ganda ng pool. At sa labas is may forest, may river. So, ito yung parking niya. Nasa underground. So, dito tayo sa theater room. Ito yung theater room. Mas malaki siya compare dun sa Hamilton. Parang ka talaga nasa cinema. oh.
We can rent here.
So, not yet. They will.
This is the gym. Fitness room. Kompleto talaga. Okay din yung fitness nila. So, another game room for my kids. Kasi gusto ko matuto lahat yung lahat ng sports na try nung anak ko. Diba? So, para hindi siya ma-bored.